Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add bio on hi5. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open hi5 application. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Now go to your profile. Click on Write Something About Yourself option. Now in this text box, you'll have to type something about yourself and tap on Save option. Now whenever someone visits your profile, they can also see this text about you. So that is how you can add bio on hi5 application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.